In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact PS4 support. Knowing how to reach out for help is essential for any gamer. PlayStation offers various support options to assist you with any issues you might encounter. Whether you need guidance on account security, game-related questions, or hardware concerns, you'll find the right resources here. Let's get started. First, visit the PlayStation Support website. This is your gateway to all available support options. You can access it by typing in the web address playstation.com/support. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to select your country or region. This step is crucial, as the available support options can vary significantly based on your location. Selecting your region ensures that you receive the most relevant help tailored to your needs. You will see a clean and organized interface, guiding you through various categories. Next, choose the category that best matches your issue. PlayStation has structured its support into specific areas such as account and security, PS Store and refunds, games, hardware and repairs, and connectivity. Picking the right category helps streamline your experience. For example, if you're having trouble with a game, you would select the Games category. This organization allows you to find the information you need quickly. After making your selection, follow any troubleshooting steps provided, or if you still require assistance, look for the Contact Us option. Now let's move on to using live chat for support. Return to the PlayStation Support website if you aren't there already. This method is often quicker than waiting on the phone. After selecting your issue category, check if live chat is available in your area. If it is, click on the Contact Us or Chat button. You will first interact with a virtual assistant designed to guide you through common issues. If your question is more complex, you can request to connect with a support representative. This option provides a more personal touch and often leads to faster solutions. Next up, let's discuss phone support. Phone support numbers can differ depending on your country, so it's important to find the correct number. For example, in the United States, you can reach them at 1-800-34-57669. In the Philippines, the number is 02854012220, specifically for PlayStation pre-sales, troubleshooting, and repair inquiries. To find the right phone number specific to your region, simply visit the PlayStation Support website and select your location. This ensures you reach the appropriate team that can assist with your specific needs. Finally, let's talk about how to request a PS4 repair. Start again at the PlayStation Support website. Once there, navigate to the Hardware and Repairs section. Choose the PS4 option to ensure your request is directed correctly. This is crucial because sending your console for repair requires proper categorization. After that, follow the prompts to troubleshoot your console. If the issue persists, you will have the option to arrange for a repair. This step is vital for any hardware issues, as it can get your system back in working order as soon as possible. By following these steps, you can easily reach out to PlayStation support when you need help. Whether it's through their website, live chat, phone support, or arranging for a repair, you have multiple ways to get assistance. Remember, taking these steps not only helps resolve your issues, but also enhances your overall gaming experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you connect with PlayStation support effectively.